Japan, an island nation in East Asia, boasts a history of rich cultural, political, and social transformations that reflect its vibrant and complex past. The earliest records of Japan date back to the Jomon period, around 14,000 BC, characterized by a hunter-gatherer culture with pottery that marks one of the oldest in the world. This era was followed by the Yayoi period, 300 BC, 300 CE, which introduced rice cultivation, metalworking, and a more structured society. The Kofun period, 300 to 538 CE, saw the establishment of powerful clans and the construction of large tombs, called Kofun, which showcased the growing political complexity. Buddhism was introduced during the Asuka period, 538 to 710 CE, influencing Japanese culture, art, and architecture significantly. The subsequent Nara period, 710 to 794 CE, marked the establishment of a centralized government and the flourishing of literature and arts under Chinese influence. The Heian period, 794-1185 CE, is noted for the peak of the imperial court culture, with classical Japanese literature such as The Tale of Genji being produced. Feudalism began to take hold in the Kamakura period, 1185 to 1333 CE, ushering in the rule of the samurai warrior class and the shogunate system of government. The Muromachi period, 1336 to 1573 CE, was characterized by the flourishing of Zen Buddhism and classical Japanese arts like tea ceremonies, gardening, and no theater. The tumultuous Sengoku period, 1467 to 1615 CE, saw widespread conflict among warring states until Japan was unified under Tokugawa Ieyasu, who established the Tokugawa shogunate, ushering in the Edo period, 1603 to 1868 CE. This era was marked by relative peace, economic growth, and enforced isolation from the outside world. Modernization began with the Meiji Restoration in 1868, which restored imperial rule and rapidly industrialized Japan, transforming it into a world power. The Taisho period, 1912 to 1926, saw democratic advancements, followed by militarization and conflict in the Showa period, 1926 to 1989, including World War II. Post-war recovery transformed Japan into an economic powerhouse in the latter half of the 20th century. Today's Japan is a blend of traditional and modern influences, reflecting its historical journey through resilience and innovation.